Hello and welcome to Great Minds Tutorials. It's your favorite teacher, Kodiso. And in this episode, one of the followers asked me to do a simple program which is just going to reverse an array. So I'm going to create a new project and I'm going to be naming it reverse array. And let's just finish this. Then it's very simple, straightforward. It's just how you use your for loops and how you iterate from the highest to the lowest. But we'll go through it. Let's wait for it to run. Okay, now basically my laptop is going to be a little bit slow because I'm exporting a video currently, but just bear with me. There we go. Okay. All right, so we're going to declare an array numbers. Then we're just going to give it random numbers 14, 7, 15, 3, 9, and 8. So, okay. After giving it that, then I want to reverse that. That should be simple. That should be a 4 int I is assigned to numbers dot size dot length, and then but I need to separate it by 1. So okay, but to make it easy, let's do this. Let's say size is then assigned to numbers dot length. Okay. So then I'm gonna remove this numbers dot length because I don't want it to be here. Here I'm just gonna write size. And then you're going to start your iteration from size minus 1, and then I should be greater than or equals, it should be greater than or equals to 0. And then you must do I minus minus. So, and then in order for you to reverse it, you are then going to have system.out that print, not print line. And for you to reverse it, it is just going to be then numbers at I. So what this is going to do is that, let's say this is of size 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's going to start with a 4, and at subscript number 4, there you have it. It's going to put in a 4 here. Then it's going to minus from a 4. It's going to go to a 3, which this is at subscript 3, subscript 2, subscript 1, and so forth. So it's going to keep on minusing until it gets to a 0, and this is subscript number 0, meaning that is going to be, I'll put it at the end. And here, I'm just going to put an empty space so that we can see. So now let me do this. Let me say system that this is the reverse. Okay, let's remove the print line. This is the reverse. Of the array. Okay, let's just put it there. So now we're going to say that is the reverse of the array. And as you can see, the array is 14. Okay. Let's come back here. Okay, my compiler is still scanning my project, but it's fine. It's going to be able to run. Let's just give it time. Should be able to run it. So there you have it. As you can see, it's able to reverse. So the last, it was an 8, a 9. So it should be able to show an 8, a 9, a 2, a 15, a 7, and a 14. And if you come back this side, you'll see it's a 8, a 9, a 2, a 15, a 7, and a 14. So it's able to reverse the array. So that is how you do it. So it's how you set your for loop. You must start from the biggest number, which is the last subscript. And the only difference is you need to decrement instead of incrementing. And you must block it so that it doesn't go out of bound. It must start from 0. So it means it will decrease until it gets to a 0 mode. It's going to stop. And there you have it. That is the simplest way you can reverse an array. And that is it for me for today's exercise. Until drop the next one, please remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Cheers.